Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna take you along with me as I do some monogramming of some items. First, I'm gonna let my heat press warm up to 350. When we originally got it, we set the highest temp to 350 and the lowest temp to 200. I give a more detailed review at a later date, but right now this is just a video showing you how I monogram some items. So now it's on 350. I have the timer set at 15 seconds because that's how long I use to personalize t-shirts. So I like this heat press. So far I have the swing arm. I didn't get the one that comes straight down. I like the swing arm. And it's very easy to use. When you lock it, it's not hard to lock or anything. Just swing it from left to right. I have enough space where I can swing it from left to right. And you just lock it down. So I'm going to be monogramming our stockings for 2019. So the first thing I'm going to do is heat the stocking up for about 5 seconds. Really didn't need 5 seconds, but I just did 5 seconds. See how light it is to lock it down? Some videos I've seen where they say it's hard for them to lock theirs down. So I set the timer for 5 seconds. Swing it out, take it off. It's all warm. So now it's ready for me to add my vinyl. And I've had a Cricut for 2 years, but I hadn't used it enough to know all the tricks, so I still have to do mine the hard way, one monogram at a time. So this is one for my husband. So I've heated up, added the vinyl, so I'm gonna lock it down for 5 seconds, then take the plastic off. I got that idea from a young lady here on YouTube, Tracy's Place. I'll link her channel in the description box. She's one of my mentors that I'm watching here on YouTube. So if you take the plastic off within 5 seconds, it doesn't leave that indentation in your vinyl. So these stockings are from Dollar Tree, so you know, of course, the quality is not very good. So I ended up almost melting my vinyl. You'll see. But then it turned out that I ended up liking it because it almost looked like it was 3D. It was a raised monogram. You'll see at the end of the video what I'm talking about. So I probably shouldn't have left it on there but about 5 seconds. You'll see when I pull it up. See, it kind of pulled away from it. See how it's all raised? I mean, I left it on there too long, but it's still okay. So we learning together on this channel. See how it looks raised? That's because I left it on there too long, but then I end up liking it. So now I'm going to do my apron that I picked up from Aldi's. If you're not familiar with Aldi's, check Aldi's out. They have very nice household items. So I'm going to go ahead and warm the apron up first for about 5 seconds. And I'm going to add Let's Gather with Mrs Vee. But I lost my Let's part of the vinyl, so I'm going to have to go back and recut that out. But I'm going to go ahead and put the with Mrs Vee on there. Uh-oh, upside down. Flip it over, Mrs Vee. There you go, with Mrs Vee. So get any debris off of it, because whatever you have on the back of your transfer tape, that's what's going to be on your product. So go ahead and put the with Mrs Vee, and I'll come back later and after I've printed out another Let's, and I'll add that to it also. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, hello, I am Miss V. This channel is called Saving with Miss V, and I like to show you ways to save money, because money is essential for living, so why not save it if you can? So if you like saving money and you like budget friendly content, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, this is a shirt that I did. It's a Fruit of the Loom shirt that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1. Yes, $1. And I put Merry Christmas on there. And as you can see, I found the LEDs. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my machine off, because one thing about it, it gets hot. It has your room hot. So this is my apron. So y'all will be seeing this in a future video. So let's gather with Miss V. And these are my stockings. Now you can see what I'm talking about. It looks like it's raised. And I actually like that detail, but it's really looking like that because I left it on there too long. I'm not afraid to show you my mistakes, because guess what? I'm not perfect, and neither are you. So embrace your mistakes. Just try to learn from your mistakes. So that's it. Like I said, if you like budget friendly content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.